For this video, I am going to teach you how you can use Metricool. Whether you are a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this guide will help you make the most out of Metricool. So let's dive right in. And first things first, what you need to do is to head over to Metricool's website. So you can use the link that I have in the description down below, and then just make sure that you sign up. So it is quick and easy. Just enter your email, create a password, and you're good to go. So once you signed up, you'll be prompted to connect your social media accounts. So Metricool supports Facebook, Instagram, as you can see on the left side pane of your screen right here. Or you can even connect your web page if you want to. You can connect your threads, Twitter, up to the Google Ads. So you can connect the accounts you want to manage and just grant the or necessary permissions. So after connecting the necessary accounts, you are all set up, and let's explore the dashboard. So for the dashboard, this is where you'll find an overview of your social media performance, the website analytics, and ad campaigns. So it's all in one place, so you don't have to jump between different platforms. So let's start with one of the Metricool's core features, which is the scheduling social media post. You can head over to this planning section right here. So here you can create, schedule, and manage your posts across all connected social media accounts. So click this create a post, which is located on the upper right corner of your screen. You can write your image or your messages, your images or videos, and select the accounts you want to post to, and you can even customize a message for each platform. And when you're ready, just choose the schedule or choose the date and time for your post and hit this schedule button right here. So once your post is scheduled, you can repeat this for all of your content to keep your social media activity consistent and organized. So now let's check our performance. So in the analytics section, let us go back onto this feature or to this page. So you can see again the detailed reports on your social media engagement, the website traffic that is applicable for the connected account for in Metricool, and even the ad performance. So here you can track likes if you've connected again, your Facebook, Instagram, Threads, or Twitter. You can also track your comments, your clicks, and more. So this data helps you understand what content resonates with your audience, so you can refine your strategy if that is applicable for you to boost your results and possibly your views. So if you want to see how you are stacking up against your competition, Metrocool's competitor section lets you compare your performance with others in your industry. So as you can see on this section right here, this is the list of my competitors. But for this feature, you actually need to upgrade your plan to learn more about your competitor strategy. So you can add your competitor's social media profiles, and you'll get insights into their engagement metrics. So this way you can identify trends and opportunities to stay ahead. And if you're running ads, go to the section right here. Metricool has got you covered. So in this ad section, you can manage and optimize your Facebook and Google ad campaigns. You can monitor your ad spend, click-through rates, and conversions all in one place. Adjust your campaigns based on your performance data to maximize your ROI. And one cool thing about Metricool is that you can get your report. So just go to the analytics section again and scroll down on the left side part of your screen until you see this reports section. So on this feature, this is where you can download a copy of your report. So you can set the period if you want a specific date, you can change the language if you want to, and even pick a template. But this feature is only available for a premium account, so you'll need to upgrade your account to premium if you don't have a premium account. And then what you need to do here is to toggle on this button right here for the specific social media account that you want to create a report for. So you can sort that by date and find or choose from the options, and then for the max rows also. And on this section right here, this is where you can generate a PDF, a PPT if you want to, and even download a memo. So you can set a schedule for a report. So this is a automatic monthly report. So just toggle this on if you want to receive the report by email every month. So you can schedule it day one, or email. You can set it if you want to receive it by email, and set in email text if you want to. So that's it. Those are the basic features of Metricool. And so I hope this tutorial helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.